All right, good morning. Good morning. Welcome to another episode of Trade with Easy and the Oracle. It is August 4th, 2026, and we are live. Hey! Woo. All right, so let's jump right in. One of the things that I notice with trading and stuff like that, the market does what it want to do, but it also follow trends. And I've been talking about that all week. And I want to show you guys some things here that you got to take a look at. Yesterday or even Friday, I think I talked about this. I got the Fibonacci on the daily chart. I want to show you how the market moves. So looking at the Fibonacci on the daily chart, we had our start of our trend way down here, which was in March. And we had an upward trend for a while. Then once we had our upward trend, we tapped out up here at about 31,100. Then we started doing a pullback consolidation and another pullback. We went all the way down to the 50% Fibonacci, as you can see. I mean, just perfect. Tap the Fibonacci perfectly on the 50%, and which is a correction. And then we going back up. So the market has been on the upward trend. We just had a pullback of sort for about a month, for a while since the pullback started in June. And then we started going back up in July. So it's about a month worth of pullback. And then now we're going up. I said this yesterday that if we break 23.6, then we should be good to go back up. So looking at how we going up after the 23.6, boom, we going all the way back up to all-time highs.
I keep looking across to see what is it over. It's really nothing.
It's really nothing over there. Nothing over there. If you look at, it's really nothing stopping it from keep going up. We have about 6 minutes before the top of the hour. The only thing I can see a pivot point if we continue to go up is right at about 29,775. I see a pivot point right in that area.
On which time frame?
I'm on a 1 hour.
Yeah, that's why I'm on the hour.
Yeah, so the hour, looking at about 29,777, look like that's the area of a pivot point. If the market is going to, if it reacts and comes down, then it'd be out in this area right here. But other than that, we got a double double top up there, but we love the market. I mean, it is flying to the top, y'all. Flying to the top. So the question is,
I'm milking it.
Yep.
Everything I can.
Yeah, I got in the trade. I got out the trade a little prematurely, but I seen some hesitation. We got it. Got in the trade here. Show you guys a little bit. So I got in the trade at 29,366. I got out the trade at 29,408. So I was only in the trade for a few. I didn't milk it. I see some hesitation. It was we're a little far distance from the 20. So I went on and I took that off for about two and a half candle gain. So yep. We missed the boat a little bit. This was the 8:30 candle. So we missed the boat and to get in this candle right here, but we wound up getting in the third candle. So if I was getting in that third candle, I kind of hesitated a little bit, and that would make me get out this trade right here because we missed the entry. So since we missed the entry, we got in late, and I got out early. Got in late, got out early, pretty much.
Yeah, what we coming to? The 20 pointing up.
Yeah, the 20 is pointing up, but we're a little far from the 20. See, so we may be going to the 20 as the 200 is starting to trend up a little bit. we was in a narrow state right here. Then we started trending up. So we might be doing this until 9 o'clock. Now, 9 o'clock usually is the reversal candle, but I don't know. It may be coming down. RSI kind of low now, but that was a nice play. Anybody that caught that play from 9:30 all the way up to about 9:50, you was good to go. Yeah, I prematurely took out and got out the trade. So that was my opening trade for the day. Got in a little late, got out a little early. That's how it is in trading. Sometimes you can't get it perfect. It's nothing perfect about it sometimes. Now it look like we coming back down and we may hit the 20 and go back up.
The 9 is curving straight and the 20 is pointed up. So
yeah, I'm confident that she just gonna probably tap the 20 and continue.
Continuation.
Yeah, do a continuation up. Because we got the 200, it's starting to curve just a little bit. It was flat. It stayed flat for a while. So we were flat right here, and then we curved up a little bit. So I wouldn't be surprised if the 9 o'clock candle come in, tap the 200, and do a continue. For a wick come down and tap the 20 and keep going. Because if you look at it, the last 2 days, we did not get a reversal candle. The 9 o'clock candle was not a reversal candle for the past 2 days. It was a continuation candle. Now, I think, if I'm not mistaken, if we go back, let's see, Friday. Let's go back and look at Monday's 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so Monday, 9 o'clock candle, which was yesterday, was a continuation. Okay. Then the 10 o'clock candle was, well, more of a reversal. It was a pullback, a little bitty doji. And then it continued to go up as the session progressed yesterday. And then we closed out as a more of a consolidation, because your biggest candles was your 8, 9, and 12 o'clock candle looked like, and that was it for the market yesterday. But right now we pulling right back into the orb. And if you look at Asia and London, Asian and London pretty much went consolidation. And then here we go, the 6 o'clock candle. We did have news this morning at 7:30. And we got news at 9. So we about to hit news in about 10 seconds. So be careful of that. Okay, we 9 o'clock. We in the middle of news.
Okay, so let's see. I want to see if we're gonna hit the 20. If we're gonna do a
we're
bounce
gonna hit
off
the 20. Your paper trade look like it's going down. If you paper trading, I don't know where you're getting in.
On? NASDAQ?
Yes, on NASDAQ.
Thank you.
I would if you're still in the trade, if you're going long, I would be careful. We got a new 4-hour candle forming. Plus, we got news going on. I would say that if you look at it, we may be going to the 20.
Well, shit, yeah, 20 almost there. It's almost.
It's almost to the 20. So I would say that be careful in this area.
And so we back into the orb.
Yeah, we right in the orb. So usually when we have such a upward trend like this, with some sort of pullback. But the thing about it is we didn't get any kind of.
We didn't get a little pullback, man, in that.
I know.
I don't know.
We could put a
50% retracement, but
we could put a Fibonacci on it, and we right at the 23.6.
Okay.
We right at the 23.6. So
rejecting?
And it's rejecting the 23.6. So
okay.
We didn't get that much of a pullback. It looks like she's going back up. That's
Don't
good.
Need a lot. Back outside of the orb.
Back outside of the orb. Oh, yep. There she go. Nice, 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 nice. So we still on an upward trend. You almost got in? Yeah, I would definitely look at not going short on anything right now. Since the market look like it do want to just go straight up. So what we had was, we have an upward trend, a pullback, then we going back up. We over the orb, so we came back and retested the orb a couple of times right here. If you look at this 2-minute candle, bam, 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 then we going back up. The only concern me is this 2-minute candle don't have a wick, but it's the 2-minute chart. 5-minute chart looks good, got a nice wick going up.
Yeah, previous candle was a tail.
Yeah, it was a tail. Yeah, we said, yep. Well, that got his wick. Yep, 2-minute got his wick. Just that quick. Came down and popped that. That is nice.
I don't know what's really a target area. What would be?
I know. Let's see. What's a target? Target is, I would still say 29,777. That should be a target.
700 area?
Yeah, 29,700 area should be a target, or the 30,000 way up there. Don't know if it's going way up there today, but
let's see.
It looks good for a long. Got a nice little tail on it, right at the 23, and she's going up. So we got a double top up here. So if it breaks this double top, I might go in there for the long. See, I'm looking at that double top up there. Triple top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Just right here. Up. Ooh, breaked over.
All right.
I'm gonna try this long. Gonna be right at the 23 for a stop loss, and target gonna be 29. I don't know, that's kind of far. 29,600. I'm gonna go 29,600. That's kind of far. I'm only going 3 contracts, so that's kind of far. Let's see. Okay, so for a 1-to-1, so 1-to-1 will be right there, and my target will be right here. So that'd be a 1-to-1 if you're looking at it that way. So I'm going for a 1-to-1. Probably ain't gonna have my stop loss that far down, but I'm gonna target it a 1-to-1. Let's see what it do. Get off the smaller time frame, going to 30-minute, and let's see, let the 30-minute rock and roll. I'm gonna move my stop loss to right there by the orb. So I'm targeting a 1-to-1. Well, not 1-to-1, maybe 1-to-0.75. Sweet. We still early in the 9 o'clock, so anything could happen. We could come get us a retracement. So it's a few things that could happen in this point. So this,
that everything is curving up.
Yeah, everything is curving up. We came down and we almost touched the 20. So that was kind of giving me a little confidence. Kind of got in the trade a little late, if you ask me. I got in, should be the target should have been right here to get in the trade, right at about 29,431, but I got in at 29,513. So a little bit late on that entry. Yes, it's definitely an upward trend. If you paper trading, enjoy.
Looking for loans.
Looking for loans. Yep.
It's good though to get in, wait for a pullback, and then probably find your entry.
Yep.
On the smaller time frame.
My only issue here is that will this 9 o'clock candle be a reversal candle? I mean, because gee whiz, that 8 o'clock candle was such a huge candle, and so that's only giving me a little pause on.
Damn, last time we did this was a little pullback.
There was a pullback, right?
Last time we made that kind of little funny looking candle there.
Yeah, we doing some pulling back. We're doing a little pullback on this one. I think if you look at it, it does require us patience. I think we all gonna, if this is gonna be a continuation candle, we may be okay to go up because it looks like the market wants to go up. But the only thing that's scaring me about this 9 o'clock candle is that we didn't get a deep pullback. Like we didn't get like a good pullback to maybe the 38 or maybe the 50. Something like that.
It went to the 23.
It went to the 23,
that's
yeah.
We're on the upward trend.
We're on the strong upward trend. Yeah, we're on a strong upward trend. So we may not get a pullback all the way to the 38
No.
because we do have a gap. Okay, so now we do have they call it fair value gap right here. Okay, so we got a fair value gap between the previous 30-minute candle and this 30-minute candle. And even if you look at the 1 hour. The 1 hour is even worse because that.
If you pay attention to this, when these kind of candles come in, that's what's giving us a pullback.
Yeah.
They're happening again, and it's giving us red right now. This a healthy trend.
This is a healthy, very healthy trend. Very, very healthy trend. Very, very healthy trend. I like it.
15-minute candle should be setting.
Yeah. Since it's far, see we got since it was far from the 220, I'm waiting. Good deal waiting. That's what I'm talking about. See, that's the whole thing about trading, is that when you don't see your setup, what do? You wait. Yeah, that's good. Yep, you are right. Because if you look at the 20, okay, never go against the 20. We haven't came and touched the 20. We came close to it, but yeah, we widened up a little bit. So the question is, how far are we gonna go from here to there? We a little wide. Remove.
Momentum is off, huh?
Yeah, so we are definitely don't have any kind of boost.
Volatility, yes.
Yeah, it's just yeah, it's yeah, see that is it's not giving a really good boost.
It will. It will. Let's be patient.
Yeah. I mean, we used to see days when the market used to just be just blazing, just moving in a direction. But I'm not gonna lie to you, when the market is on a downward trend, we get fast movement. But on an upward trend, it hesitates. So I'm gonna move my stops. I'm moving my stops up a little bit. Right, 15-minute candle coming in. Might get a little pullback a little bit if we go get a continuation.
To get a wick. Huh?
To get a wick. So it's a 15-minute candle. So we may come back, pull back a little bit, and then go back up. Well, we ain't get that much of a pullback. Shit.
Got a little wick on it. Got a little wick on it.
Yep. It's in the upward trend though. Yes, it is. It's in the upward trend. But it will eventually go back down. It will definitely eventually go back down.
If it's just for a retracement.
For a retracement, yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Here she comes back down for a little deep wick. Yep. Yep. Is she coming down? I'm at to pull back down a little bit.
Ooh, we got a week on the 9 pushing up. Dang.
I'm at to come back down a little
And look,
bit.
the 20 is coming up.
Yeah.
That sucker moving up.
Move my stops down a little bit. Give it a little room because this new 15-minute candle coming down to get a wick. So if we are still in the upward trend, she may come down a little bit to get a wick. Fill a gap right here and right there.
It might not do that right now, though.
Well, this little bitty gap from the previous 15-minute, but pretty much sitting on you. This pretty much letting it do what it do. We only 17 minutes in the hour, so let it do what it do. Patience.
Yeah.
That's what it's all about. Patience. And if you know, instead of looking at the smaller time frame, sometimes you have to go on a larger time frame. And the reason why is because when you're looking at the smaller time frame, it messes with your psychology. This is what you're seeing on the smaller time frame. This red candle, green candle, red candle, green candle. So, I mean, don't get me wrong. I do have a chart on another monitor that's looking that I can see, but one thing that's got to take a look at here is we are close to some sort of pivot point. Let's go to the right and let's look at some stuff here. Let's see. We have no pivot point. Actually, we just this was the last week's trend. So we retracing this trend from last week. So that's what we're doing right now. This area up here, well, I'll be out to trade by then, but this area back into the 29,700s, you got a huge consolidation from last week. So that's something to be thinking about also as we enter this trade.
What time frame you on?
This is the 1 hour.
I'm trying to come to the 20.
Yeah, it's coming to the 20.
So close to it.
So it tapped the 20 as we expected, but again, we always say this: never go against the 20. If the 20 is curving up, you want to continue with the trend. You also have the 200. You see, it's starting to curve up a little bit, so that's good. The 20 upward trend, the 200 kind of closing the gap a little bit, but here we are sitting on that 20. Let's see. Hopefully she don't go under the 20.
Yep, at the 20 hole.
The 20 holding.
And on the 15-minute shit, we done came and retraced a little more than 50% of that previous candle.
Yeah. If we come down any further, then we look like we coming back down to the orb.
Probably retest the orb and pop up, huh?
Yep.
I mean, not though. at me now.
Right at the orb. I'm be right at the orb. That's it.
Respect the 20. Gotta
Respect the 20. Gotta respect the 20.
Because this 20 and the 9 look like it's about to crawl, so.
Yeah, because it is curving. That'd be a good thing if the 20 pushes the 9 up. So we got the 9 EMA right here. We have the 20 right there. Getting kind of tight. Kind of tight right here.
Get a new 30-minute come in a few.
We kind of tight. We got about 4 red candles in a row right here.
I like to see us. Yep.
So yeah, we got a couple of continuation. Let's go here 2 minutes. Yeah, look at that. So we have looks like she's coming down back to the orb. On that one. Ooh, right at the 50 and the 61.8 close. So we should be fine. Right at the 50 right here. And so if you put the orb on that trend right there coming down for that pullback, we hit it right at the 50% of the fib. Right at the 50% of the fib.
Where that last candle?
Well, the last candle going down was right at the 50% of the fib. If you put your fib on the beginning of the trend, but yeah, she's still coming back down.
Oh, that's what you said you wanted to see.
Yeah.
You've been saying it. I want to see some kind of pullback shit, not me.
Yep.
I'd like to see how that 30-minute gonna end.
Yeah, I know.
Cause it done squeezed down now. Plus, I know we going back up. It's gotta go back up and break that high.
Yeah, I gotta go back up and break this high up
about
here.
546 area.
Yeah. There we go. There we go. I heard to go to the Dow, but NASDAQ starting to act up. I was using the same concept. The Dow, yeah, it's the Dow. I believe it's called it's YM. So the Dow is it's called YM, I think. And yeah, here we go. So what I did was, you could actually put your Fibonacci on any type of trend, pullbacks, or whatever. So you got the start of the trend right here. You put your Fibonacci from right here to right here. You notice that it did hit right underneath the 50% Fibonacci right there. And then it didn't go past the 50% fib. And as you can see, it's going back up. If it would have breached the 61.8 to maybe the 78.6, then we'd be looking at a downward trend here. But it didn't pass that part, so that's what kind of made me a little more confident in this trade, that it hit the right at the 50% fib and then shot straight back up.
So we really do need to break this high, because if not,
Yeah,
we
no,
just
got to break that
ranging
high,
in
yeah.
this area. Shit, we doing the snake in that one little box.
So this would be 1, 2, more of a double top. If you look at the 15 minute, ooh, that's a nice tail on the 15 minute. Nice tail on the 15 minute. So yeah, if you look at the 15 minute, we got a nice little tail. I'm gonna take this fib off. Wait, I'm gonna take this fib off. Got too many Fibonacci's on here. Too many fibs. I can take that one off too.
Gotta break this high, babe. Break,
Yeah.
break. Because we just ranging right in this area, man. Okay. Now that next 30-minute candle, she gonna come in and need to get a wick to wear. That's gonna be the thing too.
Yeah.
I may not need to get that much of a wick though. All right. Break the high, break that high. We equal highs right now. Okay, just broke that. Target 29,600s, right?
29,600 is the target. 29,600. That's the target. 29,600.
I'm at about, my TP is at about 650 something though.
Your P&L is up so far. Congrats. Your P&L is up so far. That's
Good
good.
deal.
Good deal.
Congrats.
Congrats. That's what you want to see. Good P&Ls.
Yes.
Sit back and relax.
Okay, and the new 30-minute candle comes in exactly in 1 minute.
Yep. One thing that I do like about the 15-minute candle is that we did come all the way down. Kind of scary. We came all the way down and we got a wick and it wicked all the way back up. So that's a good healthy wick. Torpedo wick right there. That's a torpedo wick there. Yep. And she's going up. I am going for a 2 to 1 right now. RR. That's what they call it. So target is 29,600. Stop loss is right above the orb.
30 minutes is about to come in.
30 minutes about to come in. So let's see if it's going to do a little popping. Here we come down, get his wick.
Hope it don't have to get no crazy
Yeah,
wig.
crazy
Okay, we
wig.
got a wig.
We got a wig.
got one. You don't need to retrace 50% of the candle.
No, don't do
Damn.
that. Don't do that.
There you go. The 9 is holding.
Yeah,
The 20 is coming up.
the 20 is coming up.
RSI is all right in the middle.
RSI is perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see with that 30, the previous 30 minute.
Previous 30 minute looked good. It just wasn't it wasn't that big. But
Yeah.
I mean,
We still respecting the 20, as you can see.
Yeah.
What I like about the 20 is that this is the 830 candle, bounce off of the 20, going up, up. We come back down, get close to the 20, then we come all the way back up. Then we come back and retested the 20. So we hit the 20 right here, 20, hold it, and then boom, it's going back up. So one thing about the 20 it is definitely a guide. It will never go against the 20, except if it breaks the 20. This is what we got to look for, just because we're getting so wide here. Is that if the market breaks the 20 and go underneath the 20, and it holds, if the 20 holds it, then we be on the downward trend. But other than that, as long as we tapping the 20, keep going up on the positive side, longs is always gonna be in play. Longs will always be in play.
All right, now this 30 minutes got to show down because we've been stalling.
Yep.
Thank you, Lord, for patience today.
Yep.
Dang. Just to sit through this stuff, you know?
So are you still in the long? Are you out the trade? On your trading account? Anybody that's on the loan that's watching this, let us know down in the comments if you're in this loan.
We need to break this high.
Yep, gotta break this high.
Because we've been here. This our third time here.
Mm-hmm. It's double top up here.
Mm-hmm. It's gonna break.
Yep. Long on the Dow. Okay. So you're trading the Dow. Cool. Let me look at the Dow. Let's see. Let's go. Let's look at the Dow. That's ticket YM. Let's go. Let's look at the Dow.
I wonder what's the deal with this little point up here with it.
Okay. I'm seeing the Dow right now. The Dow looks like it's going up. Okay.
I wonder what's NVIDIA doing.
Oh, NVIDIA. Oh, yeah. I'm about to pull up NVIDIA. Let's see.
Come on.
Come on.
Stop looking around now. It's what time is this? 9:35.
Let's see. All right, here we go. NVIDIA. Okay. So NVIDIA right now is just kind of messing around a little bit. It's going up. NVIDIA is going up, but it did come back down a little bit. Long wicks on NVIDIA. Whew. Yep.
I had the indicators over there, though, huh?
No, I have no indicators on this one.
See that high rate? We gotta break that high there.
Yeah.
That area.
Right there, yeah. We gotta break that. Yeah. If we break that high, we gonna be all right.
NASDAQ moving the same way.
Yeah, NASDAQ moving the same way. This is let's see what chart this is. This is 5 minute. It's a 5 minute chart.
Look like this trying to tap the 20 again.
Yeah. Yeah, you're long on the Dow. Dow look good for longs right now. It's it popped over to 20. And yeah, Dow looks good for longs. Gee whiz, way at 5:30. I'm looking at the Dow. Gee, what the hell happened at 5 a.m. this morning?
So they got that kind of spike.
Big kind of elephant candle at 5:30 a.m. this morning. Gee whiz.
That was in London.
Yeah, it was London. Something happened with the Dow at 5:30 a.m. for this big long candle to come way up here. So, yeah, but the Dow looks good for longs. It's off the 20. Yes, it is off the 20.
Yeah. So let me move my
Yeah, we got some movement, something going on. Hopefully it ain't no freaking tweet.
Fight. And I ain't trusting this, so
Yeah.
I'm like a
So we got all of a sudden this violent movement going on right now. So gotta be careful when we see something like that. It was a tweet. I'm going to break even on this, man.
Yeah, I can't get all the way and break even, but I am.
We must have had some type of tweet or something. So all of a sudden the volume just picked up about 1,000. So yeah, I might get tapped out on this one. And I'm okay with it.
Yeah.
I'm okay with it.
I'm gonna lose nothing on it.
Yep.
So we coming under the 20?
Yes, yeah, look like we coming under the 20. Something happened.
You said no news, huh? News
Yeah, well, the news
earlier,
was earlier, but yeah, we don't want the devil candle. So yeah.
Oh, you know what?
I got tapped out.
I only had one stop.
I got tapped out. I'm okay with it. Yep. Sometimes when you see your the market moving in a nice range, but all of a sudden you start to get violence. All of a sudden they start to move up, violent up and down. Yeah, something happened. Some type of tweet or something happened. So I wound up getting tapped out on this one for a break even, and I'm okay with it.
I like how the 20 and the 9 is meeting.
Yeah.
Both of them is together, and as long as that 20 is pointed up, we should be fine.
Yeah.
Should be fine.
So I'm okay with that. I broke even. Because this is the time, right about now, when you get those tweets. And shit, I don't know how many times it happened like 2 days in a row. You had a tweet and all of a sudden the market went down 200 points. Yeah, the Trump tweet, they call it Trump tweet. I call it the devil tweet. Devil candle. Because they come down and wipe you out. We are in the middle of consolidation right here. Boom. Nothing happening. Consolidation. The market ain't going nowhere. We had that good, that aggressive candle. The previous candle was aggressive, but right now we just in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 minutes. We've been in this area for 40 minutes.
Damn.
Yeah. So there's been a 40-minute consolidation so far. So yeah, I'm glad to be out that trade. Listen, man, I look at it that this is the trade of the day right here. The open. Boom, 8:30. Get in it right here. Ride the trend all the way up. Boom. This the trade. This is what we caught this morning. That's what we caught this morning, right here. Boom. Got in the trade right here, got out the trade right there for about 2 candles. And that's it. And then look, if you look at it, you're the upward trend, consolidation, going straight sideways. So the market right now is doing this, sideways.
But it's not making new lows.
Right.
So.
The only good thing about this is that we do have the 20 is trending up. So it's keeping up with the 20. So no shorts is in play. Got to stay with the longs at this point. But we got upward trend, go to the 20. Upward trend, go to the 20. Upward trend, go to the 20. See that? It's like a racehorse. Boom, 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 boom. But I just didn't like the aggressive candle. But the price action was just moving so fast. So I got out right here. I'm confused. Is it a steady uptrend? Should I take it for the ride or get out and replace? Well, I mean, if you
take it for the ride,
take it for the ride. Let me
stop.
see.
And that.
She's in.
Oh, that's what she's in.
Yeah, oh yeah. She right at the top up there.
Yeah, it's been there before.
Yeah, so we boom, boom, boom. Yeah, so you're in YM. Let's go and take a look at YM on here.
Yeah.
Somebody said here in Dow. So if you're in the Dow, yep. So you gotta. This is your problem right here. So if you took that long, you good until this point.
If it breaks that, you good. But just be watching if it rejects that, then you won't get out.
Trail your stop loss to about right here. So you only got one candle. If you're in the green, you could take your stop loss and put it about right here in the previous candle, and just trail it. Okay, she got out. Okay, good.
Yeah, take your profits.
Take your profits. Good, you got out. Good deal. Congratulations. Because what's happening here is that, believe it or not, this is a consolidation. This ain't no trend. I mean, we up, down, consolidate, up. Power bar candle coming down. You got 2 power bar candles coming down. Power bar candle going up. Yeah, this is if you look at it like this, it's a consolidation, but it's just a huge consolidation. Yeah, we had to break this and keep going. So when you look at this, this is considered a trend. This is considered consolidation. So we trend up, consolidation, maybe continuation. Or if we can't break this, what happened is we'll come down.
Damn, this is crazy, man. But we're really going nowhere.
We're really going nowhere.
So this makes me think, shit, are we really going up?
So you're looking at possible. Boom. Here, come back down here, go here, come back down, and that'd be a start of a trend if you start doing that. Or it'll hit this top, come down, retest, come down, and target it be right down here. So that's what it's gonna do, and that's gonna be the dial.
Let's see if we can lock price at about 560. Gotta break that area.
Yeah. Let's go back to. And that's the same problem we got with the NASDAQ. NASDAQ right now had a good upward trend, sideways action, and the same thing apply here. If we gonna continue to go up, then we gotta break this box, go here, maybe come down a little bit, and then go shoot straight up, come down.
Wait, which one this is? What is this?
This is
This.
that's the dial.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm about to get off this one.
Okay. Alrighty.
We got a nice power ball on NVIDIA. So NVIDIA is this went up. Or if we don't come down, we gonna come down here.
Is NVIDIA and NASDAQ kind of running the same way?
Yeah, not all of a sudden.
Not really.
Not really. Yeah, so that's gonna be the way that's gonna go. Yep.
I'm concerned that the 9 and the 20 didn't cross. They met,
They met, so
but they didn't cross though.
I still believe that we
still
on the upward trend. The only thing that's concerning me is that we had up, down, we're going sideways, right? That's sideways. And we still above the 20. Still above the 20, so we should be still good for an upward trend.
Shit, come on, can we get some movement? Can we?
Yeah. I got in and made my stop loss at the previous candle. That's good.
That's good.
That's good. Good.
Look, this concerns me too. If this 30-minute candle stop like that, the little red cross,
Yeah,
10 o'clock may come down.
If 10 o'clock may come down, yeah. That's all the thing I was thinking about, because since we have not been moving at all, and if you look at the 1 hour been stuck. So the 1 hour has been stuck with no movement. I think let's go price range. I think we've bam right here.
Gotta break price. Gotta break price right there.
Yeah. Okay, so NVIDIA got a deep red candle coming down, a 180 candle.
Damn, I'm playing this so tight. Just because I don't know.
Yeah.
And I don't like how this 30 minutes setting up, because if the hour ends like this, then I'm not sure if it's going to be a continuation to the upside or what we're going to do.
So you're under the 20? You got your stop loss under the 20?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Damn. She hesitated. She been going up so much.
Damn. She
It may
fighting
be-
in
she
between the
fight-
9
yeah.
and the 20. And the 9 is not pointed up anymore. It's going straight.
Straight, yeah.
So,
And the 20 is starting to go straight to instead of trend. And we still a little wide from the 200. So I am looking just for a little big boner candle from NVIDIA. NVIDIA is freaking going down.
nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at NVIDIA.
Yeah.
It's pushing it down.
Yeah, it can break price.
I can't break
to
price.
upside, so it's yeah. Cannot break your price.
Yep. So, I mean,
Oh,
this
that's what we
hourly
wanted.
candle is nothing but 120 points. So
we've been ranging in
You've been
that
ranging,
for,
for a whole hour.
Okay, so now the 9 and the 20. You know what? We may be coming down to the 200. Shit.
Yeah, we may be coming down to the 200.
Because right now we're under the damn, where is the 200? Oh,
200 is way down here at 29,200.
Oh,
29,200 is where the 200 at 29,200. It was by the orb. So the
it's inside of the orb.
It's inside of the orb. So the 200 is inside of the orb, and the top step indicators on my chart is wrong. So I can't go by top step indicators. The only indicator I can go by is the 9 EMA. But
this shit don't know what it want to do.
And then even a 20 is off. See, they got the 20 way at 29,374.
The 200 is not in the orb. It's in
29.
It is at the bottom of the orb.
29,209.
Huh?
29,209 is. It's inside the orb. Oh, it's way at the bottom of the orb.
It's at the very bottom.
The very bottom of the orb. Holy shit.
You. Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah. The 200 is at the bottom of the orb. So that's gonna
fill the gap of the 8 o'clock candle.
Yeah, it'll fill the gap of the 8 o'clock candle.
But I don't know.
Yeah, the 200 is way down here. Let me see. This one here is that's the 20. So look at Top Step got the 200 way at the daily candle at.
That's where it's at kind of for me almost. So it might be right day to day.
Let me see.
Yeah, we are ranging in this box here.
Yep, it may be right. Yeah, well, shit, that's the case. It's very wide, then.
That's wide.
Yeah, it's very, very wide.
To this.
Yeah, 200 is way down there. Ain't no way that 200 is way down there. That 200 is so far. Ooh, look at that morning candle. NVIDIA is...
Damn, going to hell, huh?
Yeah, NVIDIA going to hell, y'all.
If it's still going up, that's okay to let it out, because you don't want to jump back in and it come down on you and you lose the profit that you just made.
Yep.
Wait until you get another pullback, or if you retrace back to the 20 or something, to one of your points.
Yep. So this is NVIDIA. NVIDIA is pushing NASDAQ down.
Oh, you're saying NVIDIA is pushing NASDAQ down?
NVIDIA is pushing NASDAQ down.
Yeah.
NVIDIA just got a hell candle that just engulfed the previous candle. So NVIDIA just got that hell candle. So now when you're looking at it, this is why you're starting to see NASDAQ going down. See? NASDAQ. NVIDIA is pulling NASDAQ down. Big old candle. See that candle right there? This is NVIDIA. And yeah, NVIDIA and NASDAQ usually kind of run the same way. If you look at NVIDIA is consolidating, and if you look at NASDAQ is consolidating. So
so we fucked around the whole hour.
Yep, it fucked around the whole hour right here. This NVIDIA.
I'm talking about NASDAQ.
Yeah, NASDAQ. Yep. So.
But you know what though? It's out of the 3. Some days it don't give you 3 because the opening
it was 1.
Was 1.
Yep.
The orb was one, so 9 o'clock stalled.
Yeah.
So that's what we gotta look out for.
I mean, if we get 2,
we don't need to chance the third one.
Yeah.
You know, if we get 2 out of 3.
Out of 3, yep. And that's what I did. I got 2 out of. I got 1, 2, 3. I got 3 candles on my plate this morning. So. Let's get on. Well, if you look at YM again, YM just broke, and the Dow just broke.
The
Dow broke.
But look, that's a lot of green candles, though.
Ooh, that's too much green. Yeah, the Dow just broke. So let's see, YM. The Dow broke. That's what I'm saying. If you was in the trade, at least you caught something.
Yeah, you don't worry about catching the whole trend.
Right.
You catch some of it.
So if you put your stop loss here, when that next candle, you put your stop loss up here. That next candle, put your stop loss up here. And then, then you put your stop loss up here. And now we broke that trend. So
look at that. So now the 20 and the 9 has crossed. Oh, she said she's still there?
Oh, she's still in it.
Good deal.
Okay, because I thought I saw you say you ain't got out of it. Okay.
She probably got in another one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just protect yourself with it. Yep. That's the one she on?
Yeah, she on this one. Yeah. It's a lot of good green there. RSI is pretty high.
Yeah.
Off of the 20.
Yeah, just place your stop under the previous candle wick, so that way if you do lose on it, you're not losing a lot. You still got most of your profit. So you just losing that one bar. And now the bitch done spiked up like this at 1 minute to the new hour.
It's kind of scary though, because the new hour will come and get his wick. And
that's still range.
Oh, you got in another one. Oh, okay, so you got in another one.
Yeah, just protect your profits. Because you're hesitating a little bit.
Yep. A lot of green candles.
A lot. Usually you don't get that many.
Yeah, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 34. You got 14 green candles on YM right now. Yep. If you're on the 2-minute chart,
10 o'clock candle is here.
Yep. So the 10 o'clock candle is here. But yeah, on YM, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 candles going up. And one little retracement candle. Then you got another big candle coming up. Now you got to be careful, because now the RSI here is real high and we're in a new hour. So we got to. It's
starting to come down a little bit. It's starting to come down a little bit.
Well, if your stops is right here.
It is due for a pullback.
It's definitely due for a pullback.
Green candles in there.
Definitely due for a pullback. I would say if you put your Fibonacci on it, right? You're looking at least a 23 or the 38 pullback on YM right now. At least at the 23.6. So if you're looking at the 23.6, then you're gonna get a nice healthy pull back from here to here, maybe 23.
You could get out, if you want to, so you don't lose that much.
So you don't lose that, yeah.
You in drawdown, or you still in profit?
It just popped back up. Look at that, sweet.
I'm trying to see though. Look, we gotta break this high. If it pops a penny over that, then you probably going to the upside. Other than that, I wouldn't trust this like that.
Yeah, no.
But we are off the 20 and the 9 right now.
Yep. Let's see. Okay, you got out. Looks like it's going down. You got out right before it went down. Yeah. And the crazy thing about it, right before he went down, it came down and got his wick and it just shot straight back up. Oh, and it's starting to come back down now. Okay, cool. Well, good deal.
Congratulations. To you. Good deal.
Yep. All right, so we are at the top of the hour.
Yes.
And so we are about to go.
Time is over.
Our trading time is over. It's time for us to get off the charts.
Yeah.
Because
see, we could keep doing this. We can sit here and keep doing this.
And nope, it's not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. So we about to get off the charts because we are past our time. I really appreciate everybody that came through. We trade every day, Monday through Friday, same time, every day from 8:50 Central Time to 10 a.m. Central Time. Chit chat with us, have some fun, and go from there. Watch our trades, and we go from here. There'll be another 30-minute, and I'm in and I'm out. Okay, cool. All right. Thank y'all guys very much. We are out of here.